I love your video, Mark.
Do you?
Yes, the video where you're talking and your voice sounds just like your voice.
You know, it is incredible how accurately they can get that voice, and we're just saying three numbers.
Yeah, that's what shocked me.
It came up and it says record your voice saying these three numbers, and I said 36, 24, 78, whatever the number was. And from that, it was able to do my voice. And it's like, dang, that does sound like me. That's crazy how accurate.
How can you teach? Can you teach us how to do all of that?
Absolutely. Yeah, actually,
Mine's also.
I'm putting together a school course right now where I will go through and show you how to set up your scripts properly, your prompts to give to Sora. There's a lot of junk out there, a lot of Sora junk. And I'm using a formula that I came up with, and I think it's pretty good. So yep. I've been getting a lot of really positive comments and responses from it. So I'm kind of excited to share it with people.
Something, if you could teach us something simple to make a video and our voice sounds the same, I could really use that a lot. Really. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Brad Korn out of Kansas City. He's a Kansas City agent. He pushed one today, and it was pretty good. Basically just saying, listings are selling fast. You better get on it while you can, or something like that. And then he hops into a General Lee car and speeds off down the road. It was better than a lot of them that I've seen out there. But I was like, man, I think some of these agents need some help. What I've done is I've come up with some formulas for coming up with the scripts. So you think of something funny, a certain word, whatever, and the course itself will kind of go through that, but it helps you articulate it. The challenge is you've only got 10 seconds. So between the visuals of it and the verbiage of what you've got to say it within 10 seconds. And I'm wordy. I can't hardly say anything in 10 seconds. So whenever I started building these, it's like, man, it keeps cutting me off. And so it's like, okay, let's shorten it down. Finally got it to a place. And then I came up with this formula that really seems to work well.
I love the first one you came up on stage and everybody's crying. Oh, that one is amazing one.
Yeah.
I didn't see that one. But I was going to say, I'm Mexican. I speak really fast anyways.
Well, that's the thing, with you guys, even if I understood Spanish, I'm not sure I can understand it. But it's a beautiful language, and I'm trying to learn. I keep.
I was wondering if we can say the numbers in Spanish, and then because the way I sound sounds different, because I'm throwing the numbers in English, and then it picks up like I guess my voice, but in Spanish, I sounds like a Cuban accent.
I think if you say the numbers in Spanish, it will make everything in Spanish.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then you can purposely say, if you did want it in English, you say this in English. But I think if you put the actual numbers in Spanish, it then uses that as the main language.
Perfect.